My name is Bala Subramanian. Currently, I am pursuing PGDIM course in National Institute of Industrial Engineering. I would like to apply for the role of manager in your company. Please consider this video as my CV for the same. My strong belief towards hard work and sincerity has helped me to perform consistently well in my academics right through my school days. Apart from studies, I got trained in roller skating and swimming. My hobbies includes listening to music, watching movies, and also interested in numismatics. With the achievement of being the school topper and having emerged in the top 1% in the statewide entrance examination, I got admission in Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University. That is one of our premier engineering institute in our country. And I chose electronics and communication engineering as my specialization. During college days, besides concentrating on academics, I involved in myself in various extracurricular activities by being part of cultural committee. And I have organized technical workshops, industrial visits and tours also. Having been a part of the core team of MetaFest 2010, that is a national level intercollege cultural festival, I have worked with my team towards raising the reputation and reach of the event to greater heights. Taking responsibility in the field of sponsorship, marketing, and event organization activities, I was successful in persuading industry representatives from major companies like Levi's, LIC, BSNL, and etc. in clinching huge sponsors for these events. I was also involved in managing the guests and celebrities. In addition, I am a member of Karishma Committee and played an instrumental role in encouraging and involving students in working towards social causes. My successful experience during organizing various events was a self-realization for me as it brought my abilities as a team player and good lead and a team player with good leadership and management skills. After college, I have started my career as a assistant systems engineering in TCS. After uh, after deep training in Java platform, I got the opportunity to work with British Airways client for the travel program project. In my first project assignment, I played a lead role in designing the load plan message to the airport messaging hub from the terminal, which enabled the load controller for the estimation of manpower and equipment to handle the baggage and cargo. Apart from this, I got involved in handling the flight event image handler, which triggers 13 different messages to third-party consumers and terminals about various details and notification from the flight. After successful completion, I got appreciation from the management for my in-depth analysis of the tool, effective interaction with the clients to gather the functional requirements, and for the robust logical implementation of the technical requirements in tool. Through my work, I gained expertise in understanding the business requirements from clients and efficiently implement it in the technical arena. Moreover, I took up the responsibility of cross training across various teams and new joinees who are coming into the project. With my experience in college and professional experience in TCS, I developed a deep desire to gather expertise in various facets of business administration like finance, marketing, and operations in order to be better equipped to take up challenging management roles in future. I hope I will be a best fit in your company. If I am selected, I will give my best and sincerely work for the betterment of organization. Thank you.